Do you have sweet potatoes at your house? I'm gonna teach you how to make this that you will be addicted to it, okay? So we'll use one sweet potato and we are going to slice it this way as you can see on the video. Meanwhile, there's no secret, it's super simple and fast. This recipe is a success, guys, it's super good. Enjoy this moment and tell us what city you're watching this recipe from, so I can send you that special hug on the next video. Now let's put all of these slices inside of a bowl and let's put oil to taste, smoked paprika, regular paprika, salt to taste, a good pinch of oregano, and let's mix everything very well until it's all together with the sweet potato, okay? Use your favorite seasons here. Now guys, we are going to put all of the slices inside of the air fryer. If you don't have it, you can put in the oven, okay? But in the air fryer is faster. We'll first brown on one side and then take it out and turn it around, okay? To brown on the other side. This recipe is amazing. The sweet potato and the size is very creamy, okay? It's not crunchy. If you want it crunchy, like chips, you have to cut it thinner, okay? And now guys, let's add a special touch to it. I cut with the scissors some green onions as well, okay? And put all over it. I like green onions, okay? So, but it's totally optional. Make it at your house and come and tell me what you thought about it. I'm pretty sure you're gonna be addicted to this sweet potato. And like I said, you can make it thinner to make it crunchier, okay? Don't forget to tell us down here what you thought about this recipe. Rate us down here from 0 to 10. Knowing your opinion is super relevant for us and it helps us to bring more recipes like this one, okay? Then come and tell us what you and your family thought about this recipe. As you can see very closely, it's crunchy on the outside, but as it is, bigger, it is very creamy on the inside. And this was today's dish, guys. I hope you liked this recipe. I'm gonna bring more recipes like this one if you like it. I love to use the air fryer, so I have different recipes like this one to bring for you. Just comment down here, I want. Thank you so much for watching this video until here. I'm gonna leave you guys with this image right now. See you guys around.